today for the Bitcoin price. And you are probably asking yourself, Chris, where are you right now? Let's get to that later. I wanted to talk about one chart. This chart here, which is painting a very important picture right now, which is giving us an answer, a clue about what is going to happen to Bitcoin, not only within the next few days, but specifically throughout the next few months. If you are in the camp saying Bitcoin is not going to reach $100,000 in 2022, Bitcoin is not going to reach $200,000 in 2022, then this video is made for you guys. This is a very different video from all the videos I have made here recently, and probably from all the videos you have seen recently. Make sure you smash up the like button to a new all-time high if you want more of these videos for the long-term view about what is going to happen to Bitcoin in the next few months. If you want that, smash up the like button. Let's get at least 15,000 likes on that video, as we are always crushing all the records out there. We are the most viewed Bitcoin channel in the world, and I truly wanted to thank you for that. This is because of your engagement. This is because of your support. And now let's go straight into the content. I'm actually right now on a boat somewhere in Thailand, but obviously this doesn't hold me back to push content towards you in the moment it is necessary. And we are here on the monthly candles for Bitcoin, and I wanted to talk about the fact that at least when it comes to this chart, the bull market is not over. When it comes to this chart, we are far from a bear market. When it comes to this chart, we have not seen the all-time high for Bitcoin yet for this cycle. When it comes to this chart, we will see another all-time high way above $100,000 within this year. Hear me out, guys. So first of all, let's talk about how to understand this specific chart here. It is monthly candles, right? So every single candlestick represents 1 month for Bitcoin. And actually every single time we're having a bear market low, we're having a bull market high, consolidating in between support and resistance, and then eventually breaking out towards a new all-time high. Consolidation, new all-time high, and so on. The green lines here are the halvings. This is the first halving of November 2012. This is the second halving of July 2016. And this is the most recent halving of May 2020. And well, I can tell you one thing, this on the right-hand side is the next halving, which is going to be expected in March, April, something like that, 2024. And now the question is this the all-time high? Is this here to be expected the all-time high? This video is actually meant to completely zoom, let me quickly go back here, to zoom out and give you an understanding where we are in that cycle, because we are always caught up on the hourly, on the 4-hourly, on the daily, like on the immediate short term, on the next trade. But why not zoom out on the monthly candles and see where exactly we are here in that cycle? That's exactly what I'm gonna be doing right now. You can see that actually, you know the 4-year cycle theory. I want to tell you, there's just too much evidence for lengthening cycles. Of course, you heard that probably. Shout out to Benjamin Cohen and other people talking about that. And one thing you could do, of course, to see whether we have lengthening cycles is to do, for example, measure from the bear market bottom all the way to the bull market high. You can see 760 days, right? Let's do the same thing for the next one. Let's go from the... Just a second, let's go from the bear market bottom. It should be this exact one, all the way to the bull market high, 1,035 days. So now let's see, if this was the all-time high from here to right there, the 69,000, then this was also 1,035 days. But now the question arises, if the first, let me quickly go back, if the first cycle actually had a 760-day duration from bear market low to bull market high, and the second cycle had a 1,035-day duration, and we have lengthening cycles, I will show you more evidence for that, then the third cycle should have a longer period between bear market low and bull market high, yet it is the exact same time frame so far. And that is getting very interesting right now, because the next measurement I want to do is from the halving to the high, right? From the halving to the bull market high, 395 days here for the first cycle. Let's go to the next cycle. From the halving, it's all approximate numbers here on the monthly candles. From the halving all the way to the bull market high, we have 488. So that's already a few days longer, right? I mean, we are talking a few months longer. And now if we are going from this halving all the way to the bull market high, then we are talking about, again, 488 days. So if we are talking about lengthening cycles, this cycle was not lengthening at all. So now the question arises, maybe we have not hit the bull market high yet. And if this is the case, when is the bull market high coming? In accordance to that, actually, we should expect the bull market high coming within the next few months, leading into April and May, and then eventually breaking this 11-year resistance. This 11-year resistance represented by the orange line is actually showing the high for Bitcoin. Every single time we are touching it, bear market afterwards, touching it right here, bear market, touching it right here, bear market. But now, for the first time in Bitcoin history, something magical happened. We touched it 2 times, showing it's maybe not even over yet. We have never touched it 2 times in a row. And I personally think this cycle is it. This cycle is the cycle where we are going to eventually break it towards the upside. So what I am expecting after this consolidation period is eventually one last run towards the upside, breaking the 11 years resistance and topping out above it. This is what I am personally expecting right now for Bitcoin. And yes, there is going to be a bear market. What I would personally expect is somewhere around the next 1 month, a reversal towards the upside, a bull market high towards summer 2022, maybe let it be a little bit later. Very unconservative prediction here, I know that. And then eventually the bear market consolidation, which will eventually be most probably more flat than other ones, as we are having diminishing returns to scale into both directions. Let me quickly go back here. It is getting extremely windy. I have to wrap it up very soon, but I wanted to know from you right now, what are you expecting for Bitcoin? Do you expect the bull market high still to come in this year or not? I was actually making a big poll over on Twitter 1 hour ago. 4,000 people already said yes. Very few people said no, so of course we have a lot of bulls in this community. I wanted to know from you. And if you haven't already, follow me at MMCrypto over on Twitter with a verification checkmark. And also go down to the pinned comment and claim your own $10,000 free bonus over on the Bybit link, $4,100 alone. Click register deposit and claim your free bonus with which you can trade down below in the pinned comment and in the video description as well. Thank you. Let me quickly go back. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.